Good morning students. Welcome to our YouTube channel Home Tutorial. Today's topic nested loop. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to draw heart star pattern program. So today in this tutorial we are discussing about a pattern, that is we want to print star in this shape. So there are different ways to write a program. So today here we will discuss one way to write the program to print star in the heart shape. Alright, so let's get started with the today's program. So we want to print the star in heart shape. First thing we need to do is we need to start down the output with the row and column. So here the row 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and the 5. Here you can see the column 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So the row is 0 to 5, that means we are having a 6 row, and the column 0 to 6, that means 7 column. So in our output we can say that we are having a 6 row and 7 column. So in our program first we will take two loop. First loop we want to print the star in different, because first we will take two for loop because we want to print star in different row and column. For that first loop we will use for loop and second for loop for column. So here we are using nested for loop, a loop within the for loop. So let's divide the whole structure in 4 different parts. In the first part we can say this is the first part of the row 0 and the column 0. Second part, in the row 1 we have to print this one in the column 0 and the column 3 and the column 6. We want to print the star in that place. And the third is from row 2 to row 5, that is up to column 3 as you can see on the picture. And the fourth part is from column 6 to in the reverse till the column 3 to the last part of the row 5 as you are looking on the picture. So let's see the structure here. So let's try to understand the first part of the printing of star in the row and column. Here when there will be a row 0 and the column 0, on that time when the column modulus 3 equal 0, that means in the part of column 0, column 3 and the column 6, in this place when the remainder will become a 0, after dividing with 3, when the remainder it will get 0, on that time we don't have to print anything, we have to print a blank. In other place, like the column mod 3 not equal to 0, in that place we have to print the star. That means we have to print in the place of 1, 2, 4 and the 5. Now in the next part you can check here, when the row is 1, on that time the column 0, column 3 and the column 6, in that place we have to print the star. That means when the column mod 3 equal 0, when the remainder gets 0, when we will divide column with the 3, when it will get the remainder 0, on that time we have to print star. So in place of row 1 column 0 we have to print star. So in place of column 3 also we have to print star. In place of column 6 also we have to print star. That means C is divided with 3 equal 0, that means remainder 0, in that place we have to print star. But in other place which is not divided with 3 not equal to 0, means when the remainder will not get the 0, on that time we have to print a blank. As you can see 1, 2, 4 and 5 we have to print blank. So in the third part, when the row is 2, in that place column is 0. So we having a clue, row minus column equal to 2. We can see here in the row 3 and the column 1, 3 minus 1, 2. In the row 4 and the column 2, so 4 minus 2, we having a difference 2, that place star. And the row 5 and the column 3, so 5 minus 3, 2, we have to print star. In other place we have to print a blank. Now the fourth part, you can see here in the right side, when the row plus column equal to 8, you can check here the column 2 and the row 2 and the column 6. So 6 plus 2, 8. Row 3 and the column 5, so 3 plus 5, 8. Row 4, column 4, 8. Row 5, column 5, row 5, column 3, so 5 plus 3, 8. In that place star, and rest of all the place blank. So now let's start our program. Class name star heart. Here we write the main method program. So public static void main string args square bracket close. First we have to data type int for the row and the column. First loop for the printing the row. So row will start from 0 and the row will go up to less than equal to 5, that means 6. R++ for the increment after every numbers. Then for the printing the column part, we have to write the loop column equal to 0, column less than equal to, this one will go to 6, that means total 7, and the column plus. Here we have to write if row equal 0 and column mod 3 not equal to 0 as we have discussed in the program, or row is equal 1 and column mod 3 equal 0. This is one condition. Or another condition is row minus column is equal to 2, or we can say row plus column equal 8. So when it will satisfy, on that time we have to print system.out.print, that is star, as we have discussed in the program, double quotes close, else we have to print else here blank. So double quotes system.out.print double quotes space, close the column loop, then here system.out.println for changing the line, then close the row loop, close the main method, close the class, compile this program, close, check the output, void main. You can check here the output, we got the output as we have discussed in the program. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel and have a nice day.